I'm Sean, and this is my ePortfolio. So this is just my homepage that has 3 posts just on it. Then we can go to my about here, business student, and I'm specializing in business marketing. And this is my learning artifact from week 2 that tells all about me. Um, Page. So I have 5 videos or 5 websites posted here. Some of them are videos that provide information about online success. So there's a book as well. It's an ebook, so it's accessible online. Yep, it's all in there. And then we can go to my posts. Learned about in this course are Carbon Connect, Google Docs, Google Slides, and GroupMe. Carbon Connect was very useful throughout the semester for getting in contact with my group and having our meetings online since we never met face to face. We started a GroupMe so that it was easier to communicate with each other. That way we could set up a time to meet on Carbon Connect. And then we used Google Docs and Google Slides to complete all of our documents and work that we submitted for our presentation. Strategies and another learning artifact about them. So at the beginning of the semester I wasn't very organized, so becoming organized it helped me manage my time better so that I could complete my assignments easier and had a scheduled time to work on all of them. When the course started it was hard to keep track of my assignments because I wasn't organized and didn't have anything written down. And now I have a schedule for when to work on assignments and when to study and then when to go to work, so everything's got a time now. And then I found that it was important to have a proper study environment. I prefer somewhere quiet, free of distractions, so that it's easier to focus. And then these are It can be difficult to learn in an online learning environment because you don't meet face-to-face with an instructor or other students. This can make it difficult to keep track of all of your assignments and complete all of your work and get them turned in by the due date. And then online classes can be convenient. You don't have to attend class at a specific date or time and place every week. You can complete your assignments whenever you find that you have the time to do them, as long as it's before the deadline. You also don't have to walk to class in the winter and deal with the weather, or have worry about finding a parking space on campus. And then the last takeaway is working with online class groups can be challenging because getting everyone involved in a group project can be difficult. Trying to communicate with them and get a hold of them initially causes some problems, and it takes a while for everybody to respond and get on the same page. My group used GroupMe and Carbon Connect to communicate, so that made it a lot easier once we got it all set up. I would recommend starting all of your assignments early so that you have the time to complete them. Yeah, and that's my ePortfolio, so it's all in here. Thanks.